Hello guys, Igor here doing one more app summary review. Today analyzing Proposa, a tool that claims to build sleek digital proposals and receive real-time notifications once opened. Proposa is an interactive online platform where you can access portal templates and receive notifications to speed up your sales process. It's an alternative to better proposals. I have better proposals. I love it. So Proposa, it's a proposal tool. It's a platform to create proposals. Everyone needs one. If you are a freelancer, this is like gold, always a gem to have a proposal tool. This one thing that you need to do. So best for small business owners, digital agents, and construction companies. Let's see how the deal work here. We got all the future business plan, and you can go up to tier 5. If you buy more quotes, you get more features and more published proposals per no published proposal active at one time. So it's the you can have up to 40 proposals, for instance, active if you get the tier 3, 10 proposals if you have the tier 10. So active proposals are those that are, that your clients can access online. They are active. They are, online. People can see it. If you get more tiers, the highest tiers, you get more proposals, users, and the white label and behavior analysis. That kind of tool you need to have white labeling. So it's at least you need to plan to buy the license tier 2, spending $99 on that purchase. So that's the best thing here because you're gonna get white label. Otherwise you will not be able to use your custom domain. And if you get the tier 5 here, you get unlimited published proposals. So you can publish what you want. You don't need to, worry about the number of proposals that you have online. And so let's check it out Proposa. So here's the dashboard, and it's also pretty simple to understand their user interface, and I'm gonna show you. Here you can see your proposals, here the templates, here the content you save it, and here the settings. Let's start on settings, and then you can see what you can change. So you can upload your avatar, change your email, time zone, job title, and password. You can connect with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. It's always useful to log in. And on your company profile, you can add URL, address, company name. And on branding, you can add your logo for dark schemes and logo for light schemes. When you have a blank scheme, for instance, you're going to use your logo for light schemes. And when you have a dark schemes, for instance, black, you have a logo for the light. And here is the domain. So you can have your default domain, and you can also set up a default subdomain using only lowercase letters. So for instance, techtrendzones.proposa.eu. And remember, if you buy at least tier 2, you can white label the tool. They have an API here. Okay, you can activate their API. And here you can see the templates. So there are more than 10 templates here. Okay. And on saved content, it will be, your pictures and any other kind of assets that you already uploaded on your proposal. You can see here on saved content. And so pretty simple. It's like the blue button where you're going to create your proposal. It's one time to go. Just click on Click New. And then you can start from scratch and build everything on a blank canvas, on an empty canvas, or you can start with a template. For the sake of that review, we are going to start with a template. Here they will show the template, so marketing, SEO, all-purpose, web design, many all-purpose, consulting, construction, freelance, landscaping. So I love SEO. Let's start with the SEO templates. Then I'm gonna add the title, SEO client 1. The title here will change our permalink, okay? You can change the theme they are using here for that proposal, the Valiant, but they also have the sophisticated theme, the minimalist, the modernist. And here you're gonna add the value of your SEO service. Let's say $1,000 SEO servers. Create your proposal, and here is the builder. Okay, so how do you edit? It's pretty simple. Can you see here? Again, I'm gonna undo here. Here you can save, you can delete the block. Here again, another block, block one, block two, and create block, pretty simple. So you can delete that block, you can save that block. Click in here, you can store the content for using other proposals. So you're gonna store that block, save the content, you're gonna store in blocks, and it will be easier for you. I'm gonna store that one. It's gonna be easier for you to create the next proposal. Then you click here to edit. Here you can change the label, you can change the scheme light and dark, the number of columns, so 2 columns, then you can add more things here. Okay, background, if you're gonna use a color or an image. If you want to just, change the image, you can use a local file image. You have your storage image here, and they have a Flash stock image integration. You can also use your Google Drive, Dropbox integrations, or a direct link from your website that selects, just when I add here SEO, see if you didn't find anything, company. I just find a picture here that can work. So just select the picture if you want to change it and click on use media. So as you can see here, they just changed the picture. So it's pretty simple to change your picture. Click on save when you want. Okay, go back. So, but let's say you don't want to change the design, you want to change the content. You can see here the other tab, and then you can type here. Don't type anything here. You can type here the content. Have a builder here. You can change the heading, an SEO service, and change the tag, the size of the text as well. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You can rearrange the builder, pretty simple. Just, go up and down. Let's say here, there I change it. Here, go back, okay? Up and down. They have a view mode. You can view how people will see on mobile. Then go back to desktop. Here on tablet, now I'm back on the desktop. So let's say you don't want to edit a block, but actually you want to add a block. Just click here on the plus button and you will see some options here. Add a list, add slideshow, add table of contents, add saved content. At saved content, you're gonna add one of your templates. Remember that I saved one, they're here. I can just duplicate it using here, saved content. You can add a list. The list is here. Here is the list. I'm gonna undo. You can add the slideshow, blah, blah, blah. And here you're gonna add the slides, the image, or the text. You can add image here. Okay, you're gonna go and start to edit everything. You can add here a blank column where you're gonna add your content, heading again, paragraph, etc. So you're gonna start to build with those, the kind of templates that they have here for the blocks. As you can see here, when you open a template, they have different already kind of columns and styles for your template. Here's the slide one. You can see a slide here, an image with the code, okay? And let's see the other options. You can schedule your proposal. So your proposal will expire after a date. You can add a password, so your SEO client will be password protected in the way that for someone to see that proposal, they will need to type the password. And you also can change the theme. So let's say I want a minimalist theme here. Just click here. I have the minimalist theme now on all my proposal. I'm gonna show you another theme. The modernist theme, the modernist one are on all my proposal. And if I want to share the proposal, I just click here. I add the recipient, that's my client, first name, last name, email, and they will receive my proposal. And I can add more clients, more recipients to the proposal. Okay, you can preview your proposal as well. And here you can see the title of your proposal, the last time you update the value, and who did that proposal. So it's pretty simple to create proposal. It's a proposal tool. It's like straightforward to learn about the tool, how to use it. If you like that review, please click on the link that I added in the description. Then you can check out proposals and see if it works for you. If you need a proposal tool, it's pretty solid. I think it's easy to change. It's, it depends of your use case. If you want that kind of tool, right now it's an alternative for better proposals. I think the style is good and it's easy to use. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.